Hi friends, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Now let's talk about Provas and tablet uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Provas and is a combination drug used as a muscle relaxant. It is a brand name of Orphenadrine and Paracetamol indicated in arthritis, migraine headaches, ear pain, back pain, etc. Provas and or Provas Fort also acts as an antipyretic due to the presence of paracetamol. Provas N contains a combination of orphenadrine citrate, which acts as a muscle relaxant due to its anticholinergic effects. It binds to the NMDA receptors to reduce musculoskeletal pain. Paracetamol is also present in Provas N, which acts centrally by reducing the synthesis of prostaglandins. Therefore, it acts as an analgesic and antipyretic. The price of Provas N tablet in Pakistan ranges between 8 and 9 rupees per tablet. The exact cost can vary depending on the manufacturer. It is used for muscle pain. It is prescribed to manage musculoskeletal pain due to injuries, strains, and overuse of the muscles. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of the medicine help reduce the discomfort. The prescription use of Provas and tablet often relieves muscle spasms. It helps reduce the pain associated with the spasm due to muscle fatigue, dehydration, or certain medical conditions. The medicine relaxes the muscle fibers and reduces the intensity of the pain. It is also used for migraine headaches. It is a part of a comprehensive treatment plan to manage migraine pain, reduces pain due to its analgesic properties, and helps resolve other symptoms, including throbbing pain, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. Provas N tablet is a painkiller medication used to treat various types of pain, including ear pain, neck pain, back pain, and shoulder pain. It also provides an antipyretic effect by reducing the fever caused by these pains. Post-vaccine pain. Vaccinations can sometimes lead to soreness or pain at the injection site. Some individuals might also experience body aches or mild fever post-vaccination. Provas N tablet can be prescribed to manage these symptoms, ensuring minimal discomfort after vaccination. To use Provas and tablet, swallow the medicine whole with water. Take the medicine at the same dose and time as the doctor prescribes. Do not increase the dose of the medicine on your own. Try to take the medicine simultaneously each day to make its effect optimal. If you are using extended release Provas tablet, it is strictly recommended not to break the tablet before use. There are some side effects of Provas and tablet like lightheadedness, nausea and vomiting, hallucinations, anxiety, allergic reactions, etc. If you experience any serious side effects, call your doctor immediately. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.